Hello guys, welcome to my channel TechRev, and I'm back with another video. Please do subscribe to my channel for more such content, and let's start with the video. So we'll be talking about Pixel 7 Pro. Well, this phone is making a lot of rounds on the social media, on YouTube, because this really truly is a very genuine Android phone that could really rival the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Well, previously the Pixels have been very good phones considering their cameras, but they were always marred with glitches and drawbacks in the software. So that was really hurting Google, and finally they managed to release a phone that is very refined. And talking about refined phones, when you pick an iPhone in your hand, you know that this will function 100% of time without any glitches, and it will work just fine. And that is what Pixel was lacking in the previous years, and they have managed to get through with these problems. And finally we have a very refined Android phone which you can use as a daily driver, and it can rival any iPhone, be it the latest ones or the previous ones. And basically this Pixel 7 Pro can rival all of the Androids on the market available today, including the likes of latest Samsung phones, the latest flagship lineup of Samsung, and even other Chinese flagships. So today you have, if you want to buy an Android, then the best possible suggestion can be Pixel 7 Pro. And well, talking about the features of this phone, then basically pretty much straightforward, all the flagship features that you get. But I want to talk about the highlight of this phone, and the highlight of this phone is its CPU, which is Google Tensor G2. And of course, like Apple designs its CPU itself, and it get manufactured from China or Taiwan. And this is what Google has done. Now it is designing the architecture, and all of the designing is done by Google, which is one of the world's best software company, and it is doing the hardware itself. And that's why you get very optimized software and hardware marriage that you used to get in Apple iPhones. So this is what Google has managed to do. Now let's talk about the camera. Of course, Google Pixels are known for the cameras. Of course, this one has a 50 megapixel camera, 48 megapixel telephoto camera, of course ultra wide camera 12 megapixel. In all, it has a good package, and it can rival any other world class phone like the 14 Pro Max. And this is the main highlight of this phone. You can get shots that are utterly professional because Google optimizes them, and this is what Google is known for. So thank you for watching. So guys, do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and if you want to watch more of such content and a lot more about the Mi Bands, then do subscribe to my channel, and I'll be looking forward. Thank you.